Hello student, today we are going to learn comparing fractions. This is part of chapter number 10, fractions, 4th standard mathematics. Now, comparing fraction. First of all, what is mean by compare? Compare means we have to compare the two things or more things which is small, big, short, long, in this way. Now, in the picture given below, each of the strip of equal length has some shaded part. Write the fraction shown by the shaded part of each strip in the box next to it. Now see, in the picture we have given strip, and in this strip here some part is shaded and some is without shaded. We have to write down the fraction shaded part of the strip in the box. Now see, this is strip, and in this strip there are 1 2 here 2 parts, and in these 2 parts this one part is shaded. Therefore, how many parts here we can write down denominator, and shaded part 1 write down here. Now see the second strip. Here how many parts? 1 2 3 3 parts, and how many shaded part? 1. Therefore 1 and 1 by 3 or 1 upon 3. Now see next strip. Here strip, how many parts here in these strips? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 4 parts, and how many part is shaded? 1, means 1 upon 4. Here on the upper side or on the numerator we have done shaded part. Now next strip, 1 2 3 4 5. How many parts in this strip? 5 parts, and this is a shaded part is 1, therefore 1 upon 5. Now next see these strips. How many parts in this strip? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 parts, and how many part is shaded? 1, means 1 upon 6. Understood? Means here this in this strip, see, this is 1 by 2. This part is big, this part is small, then small, small, again small, means when we divide these strips into more and more, then the fraction is become small, smaller, smaller. Understood? See, this 1 by 2, this is a big, then is small, 1 by 3, then this fraction is small, then again small, and this again smaller. Understood? Means when we divide strip into more and more, the value of or the fraction become smaller. Now see, now look at the picture and the fractions written in the boxes and answer the following question. Now depending on this we have to ask some question and we have to answer of these questions. Which is a smaller fraction, 1 by 2 or 1 by 3? See, this is a 1 by 2 fraction and this is a 1 by 3. Which is smaller? Yes, 1 by 3 is a smaller. 1 by 3 fraction is a smaller. Now second question, which is a smaller fraction, 1 by 5 or 1 by 6? See, this is 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. See, this and this. Which is smaller fraction? Yes, 1 by 6 is a smaller fraction. Means when we compare the fraction, the number of denominator increases, then it's a smaller fraction. Now which is a bigger fraction, 1 by 3 or 1 by 5? Which is bigger fraction in this? See, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Which is bigger fraction? Yes, 1 by 3 is a 1 by 3 is a bigger. 1 by 3 is a bigger fraction. Now question 4. Write smaller than and greater than in the boxes given below. We have to write down here symbols of smaller than and greater than in the boxes. Now see first 1/3 and 1/2. In this fraction is a smaller and this is a bigger, therefore write down this. Now next 1/3 and 1/4. Again 1/3 is smaller and 1/3 is big and 1/4 is small. Now next 1/5, 1/3. In these two fractions 1/5 is a smaller and 1/3 is a bigger, therefore this side is on this 1/3. Now next here 1/2 box. First we have to compare these two, 1/2 and 1/3, which is a big and which is small. 1/2 is a big and this is a small, therefore we can write down here symbol of bigger than or greater than. Now 1/3 and 1/4, which is a bigger, 1/3 is bigger. Again 1/4 and 1/5, 1/4 is a bigger. 1/5 and 1/6, 1/5 is a bigger. Means in the fraction it is opposite to the numbers. In the number, see 1 is small, then 2, 3. Here the number is bigger, and in the fraction 1/2 is bigger, 1/3 is than 1/3, 1/4 is bigger than 1/4 and 1/4 is bigger than 1/5. Now see the next question. Fifth, as the denominator of the fraction with numerator 1 keeps increasing, what is happen the value of the fraction? We have to ask denominator of the fraction with numerator 1 keep increasing, means we have to keep one numerator constant and we have to increase the denominator. See here 1/2, then 1/3, then here numerator 1 is constant and denominator increases. Then what happen the value of the fraction? What happen the value of the fraction? Value of the fraction decreases. Value of fraction decreases. Understood? Means this 1/2 is bigger than 1/3. 1/3 is bigger than 1/4 and 1/4 is bigger than 1/5. 1/5 is bigger than 1/6. 1/6 is bigger than 1/7. Means as we increases the fraction, the value of the fraction decreases. Now see the next question. Which is the smaller fraction, 1/6 or 1/9, and why? Now we see in this question, as the value of the fraction, as the we can increases the number or we can increase the fraction, the value of fraction decreases. In 1/6 or 1/9, 1/9 is a smaller fraction. And why? Value of fraction decreases. Value of fraction decreases as denominator increases. Now see the next question. Fill in the boxes below with proper sign: equal to, less than or smaller than, bigger than or greater than. See 1/8 or 1/10. Now 1/3 or 1/3. Next 1/200, 1/100. 1/5 or 1/3, 1/4 or 1/2, 1/15 or 1/20, 1/20 or 1/15. Means this, see, this is 200, 1/200 and 1/100. This is a small and this is a big. And 1/3 or 1/3 equal to 1/8 or 1/10. 1/8 is a bigger and 10 is 1/10 is smaller. 1/5 and 1/3, 1/5 is small and 1/3 is big. In this example also 1/4 is small and 1/2 is big. 1/15 and 1/20, 1/15 is bigger and 1/20 is small. 1/20 and 1/15, 1/20 is small. Now next question. You have fruit. Using that fruit, how will you explain your friend that 1/4 is less than 1/2? Now see, first of all, 1/2 means we have to cut one fruit into two parts. See, this is a fruit and we have to first of all cut into two parts. See, this is a 1/2. Then and other fruit, and we have to cut into four equal parts. Now in this 1/2 and 1/4, 1/2 is bigger and 1/4 is smaller. See, how can we see 1/2? This is a two part and this is a four part, 1/4. Then which is smaller piece or which is smaller part in this? See, this is smaller part and this is a bigger part. Then therefore this 1/4 is smaller and 1/2 is a greater. See, this is 1/4 and this is 1/2. Then which is smaller? Yes, 1/4 is smaller or 1/2 is bigger. Okay, thank you for watching the video.